I'm so tired. I didn't sleep well last night. I really need something to wake me up.
Yes, me too. Hey, look over there. There's a cafe.
Oh, yes, I see it.
Do you want to get some coffee?
Yes, that sounds perfect. I love coffee.
Me too. Let's go inside.
Wow, this cafe is beautiful.
Yes, it is.
It smells like coffee. I love that smell.
Me too. Let's look at the menu.
Sam, wait. I'm a little nervous.
Why? What's wrong?
I want to order coffee today, but in English. I've never done that before.
Oh, don't worry at all. English at cafes is very simple.
Are you sure? I don't know what to say to the barista. I don't want to make a mistake.
It's okay. You don't need perfect English. You only need a few short phrases, that's all.
A few short phrases? Really?
Yes, really. Most people say the same things every time. It's very simple.
Okay, so what should I say first?
When the barista asks, you can say, I'd like a coffee, please.
I'd like a coffee, please. That sounds easy.
Yes, very easy. That is the most important sentence. After that, they will ask simple questions.
What kind of questions?
They will ask about size, small, medium, or large.
Oh, I know those words.
Good. They will also ask for here or to go.
For here or to go. What does that mean?
For here means you drink your coffee inside the cafe. To go means you take your coffee and leave.
Oh, I see. That's easy.
Yes, very easy. So you only need 3 things: your drink, the size, and for here or to go.
That's all?
Yes, that's all.
Okay, I think I can do it.
Look at the menu.
There are so many drinks. I don't know what to choose.
Don't worry, just choose one simple drink.
Like what?
You can try a latte.
What is a latte?
A latte is coffee with milk. It is soft and smooth, not too strong.
That sounds good. I like milk.
Then a latte is perfect for you.
Okay, I will order a latte, but how do I say it?
You can say, I'd like a latte, please.
I'd like a latte, please.
Good. Now add the size. I'd like a small latte, please.
I'd like a small latte, please.
Perfect. You're ready.
Really?
Yes. Don't worry. I'm right here with you.
Okay, I'm a little nervous, but I'll try my best.
Yes, you can do it.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a small latte, please.
A small latte. Sure thing. Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Okay, one small hot latte. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Got it. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, that will be $4.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your name, please?
Anna.
Anna. Got it. Your latte will be ready in a few minutes. You can wait over there.
Okay, thank you very much. Wow, I did it. I really did it.
Yes, you did. I'm so proud of you.
I feel so happy. It was not hard.
See, I told you. It's simple.
Yes, very simple.
Let's sit down.
Okay. Wow, it looks nice. Oh, your drink looks different from mine. Mine is hot and white. Yours is cold and dark.
That's because mine is an iced coffee. It's just regular coffee with ice, no milk.
And mine is a latte, so it has milk. That's why it's white. Exactly. That's why the taste is mild. It's not bitter. I really like it. What other kinds of coffee are there?
There are many. Do you know cappuccino?
I've heard the name. Is it like a latte?
Similar, but cappuccino has more foam on top.
Oh, I see. What about Americano?
It's espresso with hot water.
Espresso.
It's a strong, very small coffee.
So tiny but powerful.
Yes, exactly. It has a lot of caffeine.
Caffeine wakes you up, right?
Yes, that's why people drink coffee in the morning.
What if I don't want caffeine?
Then you can order decaf.
Decaf means no caffeine?
Almost none, yes.
So I can say, I'd like a decaf latte.
Exactly.
Coffee is really interesting.
It really is.
What is black coffee?
Just coffee. No milk, no sugar.
Sounds bitter.
It can be, but some people love it. Everyone has different tastes. That's the beauty of coffee.
Where does coffee come from?
From coffee beans. But beans are actually seeds inside a red fruit.
Really?
Yes, then they are roasted to become brown beans.
That's amazing.
But don't worry, you don't need to know all that to order.
True. I just need to say, I'd like a latte.
That's all you need.
That was fun. I learned a lot today.
You should be proud.
I feel more confident now.
Good. Let me say them one more time just to practice.
Hi, I'd like a small latte, please.
Perfect.
And then for here, please.
Great. And if they ask anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
See, you remember everything. You're ready to order by yourself next time.
Next time, I'll try iced latte.
That's easy. Just say it.
I'd like an iced latte, please.
Perfect. Keep it short and simple. That's the key.
Thanks, Sam. I really feel much better about English now. Today was a great day.
You're welcome. I had fun too. Let's come back again soon and try more things on the menu.
Yes, next time I'll try cappuccino.
You're learning fast.
Not yet, but I'm getting there, little by little.
That's the best way. Now let's go home.
Let's go. Thanks for everything today, Sam.
Anytime. I'm always happy to help. See you next time at the cafe.
See ya. Bye.